Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Brewton local and long-distance movers near me. With the best cheap Brewton moving company, you get the help you need. 3 Movers offers the best options and the best team. Whether it's a local move or a long-distance move, we can help save you time and energy. Our team has assisted in the move of homes, businesses, and very heavy items. We provide you with all the right options for your long-distance move, including packing services. Our team will do the packing for you and even do the unpacking when your things arrive at the new location. Moving supplies. We use the best moving supplies available and can provide you with just what you need to get packed up properly. An on-time move. With our team, you won't have to worry about delays or cancellation on moving day. Upfront pricing. We provide you with a moving quote to help ensure you get the cost estimate you need to set your moving budget. Licensed and insured. Your things are completely protected with us. Getting to your new location and keeping things safe throughout the process is the goal. When you need to relocate 100 miles away or further, we can help. Our team will take over the hard work for you and make moving simple. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brewton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.